Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Wix Booking. Let's get started. So right now, I am on this website that I have created. So what we can do is we can click on this edit site right here, and then this will redirect us to the Wix website editor. So from in there, we can actually customize our website in order to accommodate the Wix Booking. So let's just wait for this right here to finish loading. And once we see the design itself, we should be able to edit it from there. So as you can see, this is my website. So what I can recommend you to do is just click on this plus icon right here, which is the add elements button. And then from in there, we can see all of these things right here. So what I want you to do is to just head over and click on search right here and search this editor for booking. So let's search in here for booking. And then this will load and we can see this here, which is the Wix Booking. So click on open right here. And then this will open the app market. So make sure to add this app to your site. So click on add to site. And then once you have done that, this will actually load and add Wix bookings to your website. So we can just wait for this right here to optimize the pages and add the Wix booking app to our site itself. So once it's done loading, we should be able to customize this specific app. So under the My Business right here, this will automatically open by the way. But if you think that this will not automatically open, just click on the My Business right here and then you should be able to see in here the Wix bookings. So from in there, you just need to get booked online and you can just set up these 3 steps right here. So create your first service. So click on this create service right here. You can also skip that, but I can recommend you to do just to put in here service so that people will know what they are gonna sign up for. So in here, you can see the booking services on your dashboard. So under here, you should be able to add this right here, which is a service. So you can have in here a consultation, in-person appointment, online meeting, group training, so visit, free intro marketing. You can also start from scratch. So for this right here, I will just use this consultation right here. So click on edit. And then once it's done in here, this will actually load and then this will show us what this will look like. So you can rename it consultation. So let's rename it however we want it to be. I will rename it consultation with SMM expert here. And then from in there, you can just put in a tagline and description, but this is totally optional. You can also integrate AI right here that writes your description. So you can put in here the duration. It can be 15 minutes up to 2 hours, or it can actually customize it. So for me, I'll just choose this one right here. And for the buffer time, we'll put in 5 minutes. So the price and payment, you can choose how clients can pay per the service. It could be per session with a plan or per session with a plan. So for me, I'll just choose this per session. And then the fixed price, I will put in 1,000. And then the payment preferences can be entire amount online. And all of this choices right here, I'll put this one right here. And on the location, you can actually need to save your progress first before you put this in here. And then in here, you just need to add a video conferencing account if you're gonna use a session online. So in here, for the stop, you need to add a stop. So I will add the stop right here, which is me. So I just need to click on this. If you have multiple stops, you can also add them right here and then just choose which stops are going to facilitate this Wix booking. After that, click on save right here. And then this will save our progress. So in here, as you can see, it has been saved. So the next thing we can do is you can see that there's a pop-up. So from in there, you can take online bookings for a service, but in here, you need to upgrade. So if you click on upgrade right here, it will redirect you to the Wix premium purchase plan that you can use. So if you want, you can actually head over and then just choose all of this right here. Select the one that's most applicable to you, and you should be able to get your money's worth through this. So in here, let's just close this one and let's close this dashboard right here. That way we'll be able to get back to the Wix editor itself. So you can set your work hours in here. And then from there, this will open again. And then let's just wait for this right here to load. So in here, you can put in your default hours. So for me, I'll just stick with the one that is added right here and then just save that. And also put your staff's working hours if you want. Then from in there, as you can see, we have now set up the work hours. So you can actually head over and click on this get paid right here to connect your payment methods. So from here, we should actually see that on our website, once we integrated the booking service, we can now see this book online right here. So let's try to publish a site so we will know how it looks like. So from there, click on new site. And then in here, you should be able to see this book online right here. So let's try to click on that. And then from there, we should be able to book online with the services, which is a consultation with SMM expert that we have edited earlier. So when you click on book now, you should be able to book right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to use Wix or Wix Booking. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it's helping reach more people. See you soon.